How to use the MySky app. Manage your Sky products and services, pay your bills, get help and more with the MySky app. Go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, search MySky app and tap Install. Sign in with your Sky ID. Don't have one? Go to sky.com/sign up to create one. From the home screen, you can view your bills, products, your latest offers and Service Checker. With Service Checker, you can check your Sky TV and Broadband status in real time. If there's a problem, tap the product and follow the instructions. In the top left is My Profile. Tap it to find your account numbers and details, any orders you've placed, messages and more. Need help with a product or service? Sky Assistant guides you to our help articles and videos in seconds. Just type a few words into the search box and hit send.
Check out more Sky Help videos and remember to subscribe.